National Adoption Day is celebrated every November 22nd. Did you know that in 2015 alone, 4,000 adoptions were finalized on the Saturday before Thanksgiving? Events are held all over the country to celebrate this holiday, during which communities and courts join efforts to find the right families for children in the foster care system. Let's celebrate National Adoption Day as thousands of foster children are welcomed into their forever homes. National Adoption Day is close to my heart. 76 years ago, I was blessed to be adopted instead of aborted. Life is precious, so I encourage those who are considering abortion to give the gift of life to a couple who can't have children, as my adopted parents did 76 years ago. Want to have me create a custom video that's close to your heart that you can share with others? Type harveysilverfox.com into your browser and I will produce a free custom video just for you to show you how it works. Harvey, out.